Hi friends, we're today discuss how to access installation and configuration in Linux. Please that port number is 1023 are reserved for this version system. I recommending this number between often between 124 or 1024 and 65,585. First of all, we are installation and SSH. For installation done. Now start SSH systemctl service systemctl system enable the systemctl SSH running. Clear. By logging over our SSH over SSH. While logging over SSH, where is putting since our user, we're going to the root user. We are copy this main file because we are in a sense that time I have any problem again back our original file. Now copy our main file. Now we are going to access the SSH service. Here it is SSH config. Where access first time we're logging another. This is port 22. This is prior 22. This access, but not any problem. Now we are since our default port. We are since 444. forcefully. Well, now we start our service system settled SSS service, where now again try new session login. We are not accessed because our default port have already changes. We need to access put in our port number, exact port number. We are changing 444. Now access. That's it. We're success. Silent. We're sense our default code and access our SSH booting. We're connect this Windows PC. How to use port number. SSH silent. Our IP. We cannot confuse because our default port has already changes. That's why you have to know access. Where changes because when port change, that's why default port is cannot access this. We are given port number, then access is. It is sometimes problem to not access this because it is firewall issue where access permission root yes you have to you have to find this command because it is firewall issue. That's why we are checking. Yeah. Sometimes you have problem because it is a firewall issue. That's why you have to permission and add it, allow this port. It is different type. It is syntax and disable. But I have no problem. This that's why not this command is. Thank you for watching and.